So now let's look at least common multiples and how do you find that? And remember, multiples are the answers that we get when we multiply factors together. And you're going to use this quite a bit in math, especially when you're dealing with fractions with unlike denominators. But let's just think about multiples for a second. So let's say we have the numbers 5 and 4. I want to find out the multiples or answers to multiplication problems when 5 is a factor and 4 is a factor. So I know if I multiply 5 times 2, I get 10. If I multiply 5 times 3, I get 15. And 5 times 4 is 20. And I also know for 4, if I multiply 4 times 4 is 16. I know if I multiply 4 times 3 is 12. And I also know if I multiply 4 times 5 is 20. So sometimes you're going to just know the multiple. I can know this. You may recognize and go, like, you know what? 5 and 4, a common multiple of 5 and 4 is 20, and that's the least common multiple that they have in common. That's the first one you get to that they have in common. Some of this you're going to know automatically, and some of this you may have to figure out a little bit. We'll look at another example of how to figure it out. But remember, multiples are the answers to the multiplication problems when you have factors involved. So this is one way to think about the multiple and how you might figure it out just off the top of your head when you're looking at two numbers.